I just know that you guys have thought, what can I actually do with Three.js? How do
Sign
I
up for it,
program?
become a member, and you will get access to this ultimate Three.js beginner guide. It is absolutely perfect for anybody who wants to get into 3D coding in the web, or 3D web coding, whatever you want to call it. Basically learn Three.js or Babylon JS.
They program a 3D website. Well, here is how you do it. Guys, look at this rocket. It is just firing off. This is Elon Musk just going right up. This is what you can do with Three.js. It's called Juni.is with good news. And the website is called next.juni.co.jp. I think it's a developer from Japan. Absolutely beautiful. He created this website in 2022. Amazing. Just look, I'm just scrolling down right now, and this is what we are witnessing. We're witnessing absolutely madness. What a beautiful website. I don't think I've seen these color patterns before. I don't think I've seen this, like this gradient, what is it called? Oh my days, is this absolutely beautiful. Guys, look at this. It's just swinging through, and it's actually interacting with the 3D objects. Look at this, absolutely amazing. What if I just splash it from down, up, down, up? It actually interacts with these 3D elements. And the color scheme, absolutely amazing. Guys, just look at the details that they put into this. Never stop changing to realize innovation. Yeah, whatever, bro. This is also very cool. Look at this, I'm just writing something. Let me just write sup and scribe. Yeah, I'm just writing stuff. These people, so if somebody gets close, they will just be pushed back. This is most of my fan base, guys. Absolutely amazing. I love you guys. But what did it say? What did it say? Juni. Guys, so if you want to create websites like this, just go to my Patreon, download this ebook that I have on Three.js, and get started with your own development journey, developing 3D websites that you can basically use to scale your IT career and create a good portfolio. Absolutely amazing. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below. See you on the next one.